Samsung has an array of devices in the pipeline set to launch next year. The expected releases include the Galaxy S24 series in the second or third week of January. This will likely be followed by the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55. Both the A35 and A55 are expected to run on the new Exynos 1480 chipset. The chipset has now surfaced on the Geekbench database, providing us insights into its performance. In the Geekbench test, the Exynos 1480 achieved a score of 1180 points in the single-core CPU performance test and 3,536 points in the multi-core CPU performance test. These scores, unsurprisingly, surpassed those of the Exynos 1280 chip found in the Galaxy F54, which scored 1,108 points in the single-core test and 2,797 points in the multi-core test. The Exynos 1480 utilizes the S5E8845 chipset, which was previously identified as the Exynos 1480. The SoC comes with an octa-core CPU architecture featuring 4 high-performance CPU cores clocked at 2.75 GHz and 4 power-efficient CPU cores clocked at 2.05 GHz. The chipset also features the RDNA 2-based Sclips 530 GPU, reported to be significantly more powerful than the Mala GPUs used in earlier Exynos chips. However, it remains unclear whether this mid-tier GPU supports ray tracing for games. Moreover, leaked renders of the Galaxy F55 surfaced a few days ago, showcasing a boxy form factor and a design reminiscent of the Galaxy F35 and F15. The bottom of the phone features a USB-C port and a speaker grill, while the top edge houses a SIM card tray. Notably, the renders do not reveal a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the front, the smartphone boasts a center-aligned punch-hole cutout display measuring 6.5 inches, surrounded by thin bezels. Dimension-wise, the Galaxy F55 is expected to measure 161.1 x 77.3/77.9 x 8.2 millimeters. The phone was also spotted on 3C certification, recently confirming 25 ILU charging support for the device. Although we're unsure about the exact launch date of the Galaxy F55 or the F35, as aforementioned, it is expected to follow the release of the S24 series. Considering the ongoing advancements in smartphone technology and the competitive mid-range market, do you believe features like advanced GPU capabilities, absence of a headphone jack, and faster charging support significantly influence consumers' purchasing decisions, or do you think other factors play a more crucial role in the success of a mid-range smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.